proves that the angles formed by the tangent and the center are supplementary. So the angle QPA is equals to 27. So the angle QPR is equals to 54. Hence, the angle QAR is equals to 126. So the option C is will be the answer. Similarly, the of question number 4. A kite is flying at a height of 30 meter from the ground. The length of a string from the kite to the ground is 60 meter. Assuming that there is no slack in the string, the angle of elevation of the kite at the ground is. So here we are going to use the tan formula, and after that, after solving, we get the option B. Now the fifth one is similarly, we are going to use the formula of tan here. Here, the base is 50 and the question is asking us to find the value of height. If we apply that 60 degree tan 60, we know the tan 60 value is root 3. So the option is what? B. Now the sixth question, at some point of the day, the length of the shadow of a tower is equal to its height. If the base is equal to the height, the angle will become 45 because the ratio of height and the base is equal. So tan theta is equals to 1. Therefore, theta will be 45. Now see this one. Now the seventh one. In this one, the question is asking us to find the value of radius. So here we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem and we will get the option C is equals to 5 centimeter. The eighth one is a similar kind of question. Here we are going to use the same theorem, that is the Pythagoras theorem, and we will get the radius value is what? 10. These are the favorite questions from the board. And now the ninth one, we will see the sine theta is equal to the cos theta, and we want to find the theta value should be acute. Therefore, that theta value will be 45, option A. Now the 10th one, here we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem and the radius of the circle will get root 9. Here the option B is mistaken. It should be B option will be 3 root 9. Here this 3 will not be there. The option B will be only root 9. Remember this. Okay. Now see. Here, sorry for the disturbance. Now the section B, in this one, we can see the question is an observer 1.7 meter tall and 2 root 20 root 3 away from the tower. So the distance is 20 root 3 and the height of the observer is 1.7 and the total height of the tower we have to find out. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. So here we can see in the diagram, we want to find the value of AC. First, we have to find the AB. Therefore, we are going to use tan 30. Here we know that tan theta is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. Look in the diagram, we can see in the triangle A, B and E that angle tan E is equals to AB upon BE. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equals to AB upon 20 root 3. So therefore, we will cross multiply here and the root 3 will get cancelled out. We will get the value of AB is equals to 20 meter. Now we want to find the value of AC. Therefore, we are going to add AB and the BC. So we will get 21.7 meter. So we are going to write the final answer in one line sentence. The height of the tower is 21.7 meter. Now let's see the next question. This is the R form of the section B. Here the diagram is given to us that the AD value is 2.54 meter, DB value is 6, AB value is 6 meter, and angle C is 60 degree. Here A dash D dash B, A comma D comma B are collinear points. AD plus DB is equals to AB. The value of AD is 2.54. We want to find the value of DB. So plus dB as it is equals to 6. dB is equals to 6 minus 2.54. The plus 2.54 will go that side. It will become minus. Now, how to do the subtraction of the decimal number? The decimal point should be below the decimal point. 6.00 minus 2.54. We will get 3.46. In the similar way, we have to find the value of DC. So therefore, we are going to apply sine 60. Therefore, root 3 sine 60 is equals to root 3 upon 2 is equals to dB upon DC. The dB is 3.46. We just find out. We want to find the value of DC. 1.73, it's the value of the root 3 divided by 2 is equals to 3.46 divided by DC. Now we will do the cross multiply. 1.73 multiplied by DC is equals to 2 multiplied by 3.46. DC is equals to 2 multiplied by 3.46 divided by 1.73. We can see here how to divide 3.46 divided by 1.73. When we multiply 1.73 by the 2, we will get 3.46. It means 1.73 multiplied by 2, we will get 3.46. So 2 multiplied by 2, DC is equals to 4 meter. The length of ladder is 4 meter. Now the question number 3. In this one, we can see that a triangle ABC is circumscribing a circle. We have to find the value of the length BC. But we know that the tangents drawn from the external point are equal. Therefore, BP is equals to BR. Therefore, BR it is given 3 centimeter. So BP is also equals to 3 centimeter. AR is equals to 4 meter. It is given in the question. Therefore, AQ is equals to AR is equals to 4 centimeter. CQ we want to find out. We can see AC is equals to 11 centimeter by using the collinear points A dash, Q dash, C. AQ plus QC is equals to AC. The AQ value is 4 plus QC is equals to AC. 4 will go that side, will become minus. Therefore, QC is equals to 11 minus 4. Therefore, QC is equals to 7 centimeter. If QC is equals to 7 centimeter, then CP is also equals to 7 centimeter because tangent drawn from the same point are congruent, are equal. Now, we know the value of BP, which is 3 centimeter. We know the value of CP, which is 7 centimeter. Now we can find the value of BC. Therefore, B dash, P dash, C. BP plus PC is equals to BC. 3 plus 7, it will be the answer. BC is equals to 10 centimeter. We got the value of BC. Now let's see the question number or question of the question number 3. The question is saying that TP and the TQ are the tangents. O is the center. The angle PTQ is equals to 100 degree. We have to find the value of angle QOP. Here we can see that OP and OQ are the radii of the same circle, and the radii of the same circle are equal. Therefore, here the angle between radius and tangent is 90 degree. We know that. Therefore, the angle OQT is equals to 90 degree and angle OPT is equals to 90 degree. We know that the sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Therefore, the angle QOP plus angle OQT plus angle PTQ plus angle OPT is equal to 360. We are going to put the values we know that angle QOP we want to find out plus sign as it is. Angle OQT is 90, angle PTQ is 100 plus angle OPT is 90. So 90 plus 90 is 180, 100 will be as it is. 100 plus 180 is 280. The plus will go that side, will become minus. So 360 minus 280. So we will get the answer angle QOP is equals to 80 degree. Now see the question number 4. In this question we can see that a pole which is in the length which has the shadow of the length 2 root 3 meter and its sun's elevation is 60 degree. We want to find the value of the height of the pole. We can see in the diagram triangle ABC. Here AB is the height of the pole, BC is the length of the shadow, and angle C is 60 degree. To find the AB, we are going to apply the tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. Tan theta is equals to AB upon BC. It means tan 60 is equals to AB upon BC. We know the value of tan 60 is equals to root 3 is equals to AB upon, we here BC value is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 will go there in the multiplication form. Root 3 multiplied by 2 root 3 is equals to AB. We know root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to AB. Therefore, AB is equals to 6 meter. The height of the pole is 6 meter. Here, the mistake is there. It should not be the shadow, it should be the pole. Okay, the height of the pole is 6 meter. Okay, now see the next one. Now the fifth question. The length of the tangent from a point A at a distance of 5 centimeter. The distance of a tangent from the center is 5 centimeter and the length of the tangent is 4 centimeter. So we can see in the diagram, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem here. By applying the Pythagoras theorem, we can see here to do those that we need a right angle triangle. Here the angle OAB is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because the angle between radius and tangent is 90 degree. Therefore, in the right angle triangle OAB, the angle A is 90 degree. Now we can see that OB is your hypotenuse. Therefore, by applying the Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. We know the value of OB. 5 square is equals to OA square plus AB value is 4 square. 5 square is equals to 25 is equals to OA square plus of 4 square is 16. Plus 16 will go that side, it will become minus. 25 minus 16 is equals to OA square. 25 minus 16 is 9 is equals to OA square. Root will go that side, it will become square root. Therefore, OA is equals to 3 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 3 centimeter. Now see the Next question, section C, sixth question. We have to prove that the tangents drawn at the end points of the chord of the circle makes equal angles with the chord. We have to form a one chord. Let the chord be AB, and we are going to join OA and OB. So the O is the center, OA and the OB are the radius. PB the external point, therefore PA and the PB are the tangents of the circle. Where we have to prove that the PAB is equal to the PBA. Here we can see that OA is equal to OB. Why? Because the radii of the same circle. Therefore, angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. In the triangle OAB, if you see that the two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Therefore, we got angle OAB equals to angle OBA. We name this equation equation 1. Here, we can also see that radius and tangents make angle of 90 degree. Therefore, angle PAO or angle OAP is 90 degree. It means angle A and angle B are 90 degree. Therefore, PAO equals to angle PBO. Each is 90 degree. PAO, it can be write as OAB plus angle PAB equals to angle OBA plus angle PBA. Here we can see that angle OAB equals to the angle OBA. So in the right hand side, I can replace OBA with the OAB. So the OAB and the OAB get cancelled out. We will remain with the angle PAB. Here we can see this OAB and this OAB will get cancelled out. The remaining part is what? That PAB and the PBA. Okay. Now to see the next question of the section C, it is or form of the section C is question number 6. Here, a circle touches all four sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. We have to prove that AB plus CD is equals to BC plus DA. Here we can see that AS equals to the AR, BS is equals to the BP, CP is equals to CQ, DR is equals to DQ. Why? Because tangents drawn from the external point are equal. We are going to add all four equations. So in the left hand side, we have AR plus BP plus DR plus CP equals, and as it is, AS plus BS plus DQ plus CQ. So here this AR and plus DR we are going to keep in one bracket, plus BP plus CP in the one single bracket. Here in the right hand side, AS plus BS plus DQ plus CQ in the right hand side one bracket. We can see from the diagram A dash R dash D. So here that A dash R dash C, A dash R dash D. Therefore, AR plus RD is equals to the AD. In the similar way that B dash P dash C, BP plus PC plus is equals to AC. Okay. In the similar way, A dash S dash B. We can see AS plus SB is equals to AB. Okay. So in the place of AS here, in the place of AS, we are going to write here AS plus SB is equals to AB and DQ plus CQ is equals to our DC. Okay. In the same way, here I made a mistake here. You can see AR plus RD, it should be here. It should be what? It should be AD plus, and the BP plus CP. BP plus CP should be what? Here see BP plus CP should be what? BC. Okay. That right hand side become the left hand side and left hand side become the right hand side. That is the mistake. Okay. So here we can see that AB plus CD is equals to the BC plus DA or AD. Okay. So we can see we have done this proof by using the theorem, that is tangent drawn from the external points are equal. Now see the seventh question. Here we can see that in this diagram, this is the good question. We will see that a man is standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meter above the water level. Observe the angle of elevation of the top of the hill as 60 degree and the angle of depression of the base of the hill as 30 degree. We have to find the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the hill. Here we are going to find out the what is the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the hill. Here this AD is the height of the ship from the bottom of the sea from the lower level, which is the 10 meter. And if you see the surface of the sea and the bottom of the hill, it should be the AC. It means that AC will be somewhat below the sea level also. Okay, so that angle of elevation made by the man standing on the ship is 60 degree. So here we see that it is 60 degree, and he is also making the angle of depression of 30 degree. So the AC is the height of the hill. In this triangle ABC, we can see that BC is 10 meter, angle of depression, which is the angle of E, is equal to 30. To find the value of B, which is the distance of the hill from the ship. Okay, then what is the AB? That AB is the distance of the AB is distance. Okay, AB is the distance of the hill from the ship. So we will find out, therefore, tan 30 is equals to 1 upon root 3. BC is 10. AB will be as it is. Now doing the cross multiplication, we get EB is equals to 10 root 3. In the triangle ABE, we have to find out the AB. Therefore, tan 60 is equals to AB upon B. Tan 60 is root 3 is equals to AB upon, what is the value of EB? It is 10 root 3. By doing the cross multiplication, root 3 multiplied by 10 root 3. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. 10 multiplied by 3 is what? 30. 10 3s are 30. We got AB is 30 meter. By doing the collinear points, we can see A dash, B dash, C. AB plus BC is equals to AC. Therefore, 30 plus 10 is equals to AC. Therefore, AC is equals to 40 meter. We got the value of the height, that the height of the hill is 40 meter and the distance of the heel from the ship is 10 root 3 meter. Now see the eighth one. We have to prove that the tangents drawn at the end of the diameter of a circle are parallel to each other. So we have assumed that let up a circle with the center O. OA and the OB are the radii of the circle. Line L and M are the tangents to the circle. Okay, so here the angle OAD is equals to 90, angle OBC is equals to 90 because the angle between tangent and radius is 90 degree. Therefore, angle OAD plus angle OBC, we can see 90 plus 90 is 180. If these two angles between the two parallel lines is 180, it is forming the interior angles. So it looks like interior angles. Therefore, by using the interior angle test, we can see that line L is parallel to the line M. Okay, so here we have proved that the lines, the tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter of a circle are parallel to each other. Okay, now see the next question, section D, question number 9. Here we can see that a straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree. So we have made a Venn diagram. Here we have took that 30-degree angle of revolution by using the alternate angles. 30 is above and the below is also 30. In the similar way, which is approaching to the foot of the tower with the uniform speed, 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be the 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Here we have made the one diagram. Here h is representing the height of the tower. X, y are the distance of the car from the tower. Here, time taken by the car to cover y distance is equals to 6 seconds. The question is saying that the angle of depression are the 30 and the 60. So we are going to apply tan 30. So it is the opposite upon adjacent. Therefore, tan 30 is equals to h upon x plus y. We know the value of the tan 30. It is 1 upon root 3. So by doing the cross multiplication, x plus y upon root 3 is equals to root 3x. Why root 3x? Because similarly, we have applied in the tan 60. We got tan 60 is equals to h upon x. Here we got the value of h is equals to root 3x. Put that value root 3x in here. So we can see x plus y is equals to root 3 multiplied by root 3x. Root 3 multiplied by root 3, 3. So here we got the equation y is equals to 2x. But the speed is uniform. Therefore, we can see the speed to cover the x distance is equals to the speed to cover the x plus y. Both speed going to be the same. The question's main point was that we can see in the question paper, which is approaching the foot of the tower with the uniform speed. What is mean by uniform speed? That the speed is constant. That is the speed required to cover the distance y is same as the speed required to cover the distance x also and x plus y also. Therefore, the speed to cover the distance x is equal to the speed to cover the distance x plus y. We know the speed formula distance upon time. Therefore, x upon t is equals to x plus y upon 6 plus t. Why 6 plus t? Because to cover the distance of y, we need 6 seconds, and to cover the distance x, we are going to need t seconds to find out. Here we are going to find the value of t. But we know that y is equal to 2x. I can substitute here. So we can get x upon t is equals to x plus 2x upon 60. X upon t is equals to x plus 2x is what? 3x upon 6 plus t. X get cancelled out. 1 upon t is equals to 3 upon 6 plus t. By doing the cross multiplication, 6 plus t is equals to 3t. Plus t will go that side, it will become minus. 6 is equals to 2t. 2 and the t are in the multiplication form. 2 will go in the denominator. Therefore, t is equals to 6 upon 2. T is equals to 3 second. Time to cover the x distance is 3 second. Now see the next question of the section D. Here it is given that xy and the PQ are tangents. AB is the another tangent which is touching the circle. Here we have to prove that angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. To do so that we are going to do the construction that join OR, OS and OC. By doing that, OR, OC, OS are the radii of the same circle. Therefore, all these three are equal. Angle ORA and angle OCA is equals to 90 degree because the angle between tangent and radius are equal, and that is how much? 90 degree. AR is equals to AC. The tangents drawn from the external points are congruent. In the triangle ORA and the OCA, we can see that OA is equals to OA, which is the common side. Therefore, by using the RHS test or hypotenuse side test, triangle ORA congruent to triangle OCA. Here, angle ROA congruent to angle COA, and the angle RAO is congruent to the angle CAO. We name this equation as equation 4. This is why by CPCT, congruent parts of corresponding triangles. Similarly, in the triangle OSB and triangle OCB, we can prove angle SOB is equals to congruent to angle BOC and angle SBO congruent to angle CBO. Here we can see that the angle ROA is equals to the COA and SOB is equals to COB from this equations, equation 4 and the equation 5. Here RS is the diameter, therefore RS should be a segment, it is a line, therefore they are going to make the linear pair. Therefore the angle ROC plus angle SOC is equals to 180. It is the linear pair. ROC can be written as ROA plus AOC. SOC can be written as SOB plus COB is equals to 180. Angle ROA plus I am replacing angle AOC with the ROA. Why? You can see here that in the equation 4 that the angle ROA is equals to the COA and angle SOB I'm writing as it is, and the COB I'm replacing with the SOB. From the equation 5 you can see SBO is equal to the CBO and the SOB is equal to the BOC. Okay, so from the 4th and the 5th we have wrote here. So angle ROA plus angle ROA, 2 times of angle ROA plus SOB, 2 times of angle SOB is equals to 180 degree. Angle ROA plus angle SOB, we are dividing by 2. So therefore, angle AOC plus angle COB. Again, I am replacing that ROA and SOB by the AOC and the COB. Therefore, AOC plus COB, it is what? How much? We can see here in the diagram here that angle AOC plus BOC is equals to what? AOB now. Therefore, we got angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Now see the 10th one, section E. Varun has been selected by his school to design the logo for the sports day t-shirt for students and staff. The logo design is as given in the figure. We can see the figure here that triangle is inscribed by the triangle ABC, or circle is inscribed by the triangle ABC such that AB is equals to 12, BC is equals to 8, and the CA is equals to 10. Therefore, the question is asking us to find the value of length of AD, length of BE, length of CF, and the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter. We have to find the area of the triangle OAB. So here we can see in the triangle ABC that the tangents drawn from the external point are congruent. Therefore, AD is equals to AP. Therefore, I am assuming AD is equals to AF is equals to X. BD is equals to BE is equals to Y. CF is equals to CE is equals to Z. Tangent from the external point. Here we can see by the collinear points AB, we know the perimeter. Yes or no? Perimeter is means what? The perimeter is sum of length of all sides. Therefore, AB plus BC plus AC is equals to 12 plus 8 plus 10 is equals to 30 degree. AB is x plus y, BC is x plus, sorry, BC is y plus z, and the AC is x plus z. We can see here that that a sorry for that. So so x plus x is equals to 2x, and y plus y is equals to 2y, and z plus z is equals to 2z. Okay, here see this. X plus x is equals to 2x, y plus y is equals to 2y, and z plus z is equals to 2z. Now here we are going to divide by the 2 by 2. So 2x become x, 2y become y, 2z becomes z, and 30 becomes 15. So here we can see to find the AD, we are going to subtract this y plus z from here. So x plus y plus z minus y plus z. What is the y plus z? That y plus z is what? BC, na? See here. This y plus z is BC. We know the value of BC is 8 centimeter. So 15 minus 8 is equals to 7 centimeter. In the similar way, we want to find the B is equals to Y, and the B is equals to Y means what? We are going to remove that X plus Z. What is the X plus Z here? See, that X plus Z is what? Is AC. And what is AC? AC is 10. So we can remove that X plus Z from here. So here we are going to get that the CF is Z. What is CF? The CF is Z. To get the CF Z, we are going to subtract this X plus Z. This X plus Z is what? This X plus Z is, sorry, X plus Y is what? AB. And what is Y AB? AB is 12. So we are going to remove this 12 from the 15. So we will get CF is equals to 3 centimeter. Now see the next one. Here the height of the triangle is what? Here we have the triangle. Triangle. In this triangle, this is our AB, and from the center, this is what your height. Okay. So here we can see to find the area of the triangle OAB. This is your O and this is your triangle. Okay. And this is the smaller triangle. I will draw one more time. This is your triangle. This is A, this is B, and this is O. Okay. And this is your height. This is height. This height is your radius. And this base is your AB. Okay, what is your base? That base is AB and your height is what? Radius. So here is the formula. Area of the triangle AOB is equals to half into B into H. What is B? Base. What is H? Height. So here in this triangle, base is AB and the height is radius. So half multiplied by AB value is 12, radius value is 4, which is given. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 6 multiplied by 4 is what? 24 centimeters square. We got the area. Now see the 11th one. Here in this question, the diagram is also given. The diagram of the in Delhi memorable, originally called All India War Memorial, which is the India Gate simply, and all these things are given to you. The main data is the height of the India Gate. The height of the India Gate is what? H. The distance away for the India Gate is X. And the value of the height is given, which is 42 meters. Okay. The first question is asking to find what is the angle of elevation if they are standing at a distance of 42-meter away from the monument. The distance is 42. We want to find the angle of elevation and the height is also 42. Okay. So here we are going to apply tan theta is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. The opposite side is 42. Adjacent side is also 42. So 42 is divided by the 42. So tan theta is equals to tan 45. Therefore, theta is equals to 45. The angle of elevation is 45 degree. Now see the next question. They want to see the tower at an angle of 60. So they want to know the distance where they are should stand and hence find the distance. Here the angle is given. We have to find a distance which is the x and the height is the same which is the 42. So we are again applying the tan theta which is opposite side upon adjacent side. Tan of 60 is equals to h upon x. Tan 60 is root 3. H value is 42 divided by x. Therefore, x is equals to 42 upon root 3. X is equals to 42 upon root 3. To eliminate this root, we are going to rationalize the denominator. To do so that we are going to multiply by the root 3 to the numerator and the denominator. Hence, we get 42 root 3 upon 3. 3 ones are 3. We are going to divide this 42 by the 3. So we will get 14 root 3. We know the value of root 3 is 1.73. Multiply 1.73 by 14, we will get 24.22 meter. Okay. Now the second part of this one, if the angle is 60 degree, the height of the tower of the length, what will be the height if the length is 20 meter? The question is asking to find the height. Similar way, tan theta is equals to h upon x. Tan 60 is equals to h upon 20. The distance is given, the length is given up. So tan 60 is root 3. We want to find the height here upon 20. H is equals to 20 multiplied by root 3. 20 multiplied by 1.73. We are going to multiply and we will get the answer is 34.6 meter. Now the third question, the ratio of the length of the rod and its shadow is 1 is to 1. So if the height and the shadow is 1 is to 1, then tan theta is equals to 1. Therefore, tan theta is equals to tan 45. Theta we will get 45. The angle of elevation of the sun is 45 degree. Here we have completed the unit test 17 chapter based on the chapter 9th and 10th CBSE 10th maths paper discussion. Okay, best of luck for your exam. Good luck.